Betty Butter had some butter, but she said, "This butter's bitter. If I make this better butter, it would make my butter bitter." Welcome to Naomi's Filipino kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to take the bitterness away from bitter melon. Trust me, a lot easier for me to show you how to do this than for me to say this. Some people in the Philippines eat the bitter melon as it is, but for Western palate, it may taste too bitter. Now, I show you the procedure how to take the bitterness away. Place the bitter melon in a large bowl and add the salt. Mix well. And leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the bitter melon. Rinse well with cold running water. Give it a good rinse. Rinse it and squeeze it with your hands until the saltiness go away. You can taste it. It's good. Salt's gone away now. Ready to cook. Place on the top of kitchen towel to dry off the excess water. Now, bitter melon is ready to cook. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. And remember, Mr. Bitter Melon, you're no longer bitter.